Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper at home. We'll start by addressing common issues like a misaligned zipper, which often just needs a gentle realignment of its teeth. Then, we'll look at how to free a stuck zipper, usually with a simple lubricant. Finally, we'll cover what to do if your slider is missing or if the teeth themselves are loose, ensuring your zipper works like new. For a misaligned zipper, carefully use needle nose pliers to straighten any bent teeth. Once the teeth are aligned, try zipping it up. If your zipper is stuck, grab a pencil and rub its graphite on the teeth around the slider. This acts as a dry lubricant. Gently wiggle the slider back and forth a few times to help the graphite work its magic, and soon it should glide smoothly. If your zipper slider is missing or broken, you'll need a replacement. First, carefully remove the metal stopper at the top of the zipper tape using pliers. Then, slide the new slider onto the zipper teeth from the top, ensuring both sides are evenly engaged. Once the new slider is in place, crimp a new stopper onto the tape to prevent the slider from coming off. This simple fix can save your favorite jacket. Sometimes, zipper teeth become loose, causing gaps and preventing proper closure. To fix this, locate the loose teeth and use a pair of flat nose pliers. Gently squeeze the top and bottom of each loose tooth, applying light, consistent pressure. Be careful not to squeeze too hard, as this could damage the zipper fabric. After tightening, test the zipper to ensure it glides smoothly and securely, restoring its function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.